Hey YouTube, just quickly making this video to give you an update on how I'm doing. Um, I still don't feel good. I have strong pain medicine, but it still hurts or whatever. It was hard working today because I kept getting the pains and I just wanted to go all the way. Anyway, I just wanted to say hi to you guys. Thank you for all your comments and being there for me. Lily's gonna say hi. Come here, Lily. Just
Hi.
say how are you?
How are you?
We're going to bed now.
I'm going to bed now.
Say good night.
Good night.